Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 63. Usda. Usda. The word usta is a verb or an action word which means to smile or laugh. The word usta could be divided into two syllables. Usda. Us is formed from the combination of the sounds of u and siyat with a no sound or placeholder iyang at the first position of the syllable, while da is formed from the combination of the sounds of dikat and a. Usda. Let's use usda in a sentence or a phrase. 제발 웃어요. This phrase or sentence means please smile. The word 제발 means please, and the word 웃어요 is the present tense form of our word for the day, which is usda. So how is usda transformed into 웃어요? We'll be using the same method. We will remove da from usda, leaving behind us. And since the last vowel sound of us is not a or o, we'll be adding oyo. Again, the rule for present tense verb is if the last vowel sound of the verb stem is a or o, we'll be adding ayo. But if it is not a or o, we'll be adding oyo. And since the last vowel sound of us is not a or o, we'll be adding oyo. So us plus oyo is osoyo. And usoyo is the present tense form of usda. Therefore, the meaning of the phrase 제발 웃어요 is simply please smile. And with that, you've just learned usda. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 53 to 62. But don't forget, our word for today is word number 63, usda, which means to smile or laugh. Word number 62 is masida. This is a root verb which means to drink. Word number 61 is mokta. This is another root verb which means to eat. Word number 60 is kabshida, and this is a formal way of saying, let's go. Word number 59 is kacha, and this is an informal way of saying, let's go. Word number 58 is ulda. This is another root verb which means to cry. Word number 57 is hada. This is another root verb which means to do. Word number 56 is kada, and this is another root verb which means to go. Word or phrase number 55 is moeyo, and this is an interrogative phrase which means what is it? Word number 54 is irim, and this is the Korean noun for name. And the last for our review is word number 53, 만나다. This is another root verb which means to meet. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.